4 AC, it's like it needs an AC work 402 doesn't. Get this guy taken off. Wow, finally. So I might as well get him here. I think this is the Algoma Equinox. I forget the name of this ship. He's just way out on the island. Kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna wait till the tower of the ship is like into the island. There's a few pontoon planes taking off also. And we got another ship coming in also. Man, he's going out. I can see the smoke on the ship. He is for sure going out. Okay, where is he at? Wow, he's going really fast. Hey, I can still get a decent... I think I could still get a decent view of him right there, and yeah. But he's cruising his way out of Thunder Bay, and yeah. He's due to have a meet with this other ship that's coming in. But he's going fast, that's for sure. Yeah, it's the Algoma Equinox, and he's about to have a meet with the Harvest. The Harvest Spirit is coming in also. We're gonna have a meet with this guy also, and yeah. What's the Harvest Spirit looks like? Harvest Spirit. See ya. Okay. Alright. Yeah, let's kind of. I think that's good. Let's stop it. And we got another freighter coming in. That being said, I forget the name of this ship, but he's about to have a meet with this other ship. I do know the name of the ships, but just one of the ships I'm having trouble pronouncing. And this guy is way out there, and look at that. He's the due to have a meet with this guy on his way out. So they're gonna be having a meet with each other. One coming in and one going out. Not to mention there's a ship parked in the Richardson's elevator. And yeah. So yeah, a freighter going out and a freighter coming in. Look at that. I can hear a pontoon plane taking off. Videotape it right now, but I'm videotaping the freighters right now, so I could do that another time or something. I don't know. I know I'm videotaping trains also. So far I've caught 112. Last I heard 113's at gravel pits or something on the radio. I'll have to look on my trackside guide. Yeah, and you can see those two just met each other, and yeah. Videotaping the freighters. Yeah. Yeah. There's one coming in and one going out.
Yeah, quite a few coming.
Yeah.
Now the season has started.
Sure has. Sure has. And look at that. They just had a meet with each other. Never neat. And a successful meet for the two ships.
Somebody's pretty cold.
Oh, be damned, the tugboats. Yeah. I'm videotaping the boats out there, the freighters, and there's a tugboat out there. He's probably gonna bring this other ship in out there.
Okay. Well, obviously it's not the first time you've been here.
Yeah, I've been here before. Yeah, there's a tugboat plus a freighter on the background. What'd you say?
The survey is going on? The surveying?
The surveying?
Yeah, for civil? You are civil?
I'm just, videotaping for fun. Yeah,
I thought you are a civil engineer.
No. I'm just...
And then we're all untied and all set to go. We just pulling down the diamond.
So I'm just videotaping the boats right now. And there's
on the north track, so we'll get the pull by at the depot here.
Going good.
Pull
Yeah.
by the depot, get to pull the diamond. Thanks, you're not
Sorry
easy.
about that. I also videotape trains also.
Not easy, so you get to pull north track Thunderbird.
Yeah. Okay, this... Let's tell you what, where'd that tugboat go? Oh, there's a tugboat right there.
Yeah, this one.
Nice, messed up. Yeah, that's just another clip of that boat pulling in. I'm not sure if he's stopping or is he just... I don't know. Oh. Anyways. Snap one more clip of this guy coming in and... I think he's due to go into... pull into there. Mind you, the harbors are flooded, so... I don't know if he is pulling in there for sure, but I'll have to check on my marine traffic thing. He's kind of slowing down a bit, so well, we're gonna be repositioned. Okay, now he's just pulling up to right there. I don't know if he's stopping or I don't know. Sorry about that. That's farther. Okay, there we go. What are you focusing on? What are you focusing on? I can barely see with the sun in my face. Oh my goodness. Please stop moving off center. As soon as I get it in position, it tends to move away. Moves away. I think I got it. It's off a bit, but it's better than nothing. And why is it so shaky? Maybe the wind's blowing it. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Okay, let me check my marine trafficker. Marine traffic. I'm gonna check my marine traffic. Wow, he's going a little bit fast. The Harvest Spirits. That's the Harvest Spirits. That's just pulling in. The Algoma Equinox has left, and this guy's just pulling in, which is the Harvest Spirits. Harvest Spirits just pulling in. Okay. It's heading into the hills. There's a fucking... Okay, it's just pulling in, so it won't be going with... I don't know if it's just the screen that's vibrating or is it the whole camera. I'm not sure what it is. Anyways, it's just completely in that. RTC dial-up channel. I don't know who it is, but oh well. He's due to pull into the harbors, which is right there. I don't know if there is space for him to pull in. There should be, at least. It's right there. Anyways, I think this is good right here. I'm gonna stop it right here.